Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on July 24th, Thursday. And I just want to do a quick video. It's actually really quick because there's not that much to say about it. Amazon. These little blue hash marks here is where the stock's trading after hours because they announce earnings that nobody really liked except the short sellers. So the stock's down at this support level. There's going to be a boatload of selling right at the open because that's what happens when the stock trades down after hours in response to earnings. There are going to be a lot of market sell on open orders where as soon as the market opens up, this stock is going to absolutely get crushed. Remember this, company's been losing money pretty much since the day that it was founded. I think the Amazon River is more profitable than Amazon here. And that's filled with crocodiles or alligators or something. But the point is, it's almost like the numbers don't matter. At some point they will, and maybe this will be that magical moment in time when suddenly investors are going to go, you know what, these guys need to start generating some earnings by not trying to take over the world and do these stupid drones, which if I got one flying over me, I'm breaking out the firearms. Anyway, and at some point investors are going to start caring. By the way, I was just kidding about the firearms. Actually, I wasn't, but I just don't want anybody to report me. But anyway, at some point that's going to matter. What you need to be doing tomorrow is watch and see how the stock trades at, say, 320. It has gapped down to support. It's gapped down to this trading range, to the bottom of it. And so ask yourself, if the stock gaps down this low, what are the chances that all these sellers that are selling are actually going to be met by buyers who are saying, cool, I'll go ahead and take this stock at a discount, and also met by buyers who are going to say, oh my gosh, happily, I'm short the stock. I'm going to go ahead and cover on this pullback. So my bet is you're going to get some buying that comes in here. You could have a gap and then it just continues to run. We've seen other stocks do that. But I think the real odds are that the stock's going to bounce at least a little bit. So if you happen to be long, don't sell first thing in the morning. Give yourself like leeway for like 320. If the stock starts falling below that, then that's known as a bad thing and you can start lightening up. I wouldn't just rush in and buy it either. There are tactics to trading this type of thing. It's what I call the 59-minute trader tactics. But generally speaking, you're going to want to look at this and see about maybe buying it on a dip for a trade, just for a trade. So anyway, hope that works for you. Members, over to the strategy session. I got a video that covers some heavily shorted stocks. 4 out of 5 of them look actually really good, and the 5th one also looks really good, just to the downside because the shorts I think are right. So anyway, hope you'll check that out.